said.
It's like drama, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go for the state championship. 2-point conversion try by Racine St. Catherine's.
Running left, he ain't gonna get
it.
it.
Wow! In for 2, and St. Catherine's leads it 8-7.
In 2018, we won the state football championship, going 14-0, undefeated. I'm often asked, what was the key to our success? And I always like to tell them, it was the weight room, the dedication and commitment our players had to it. In 2010, we started a program called the Friday Night Light Winners, where sophomores through seniors have an opportunity to test in the bench, squat, and power clean. And in 2018, we had more winners than ever before. And that was the difference.
My name's Nick Bennett. I'm the varsity boys basketball coach. Coach Miller, obviously with your success and our recent championship, it's been a fun ride. Our boys basketball program is only a small part of the winning tradition that's been at St. Catherine's for so many years. And we're very proud of all our past success. But to add a state-of-the-art weight room would only increase our ability to keep up with everyone else and hopefully have something that our kids are really excited to come in and work out at.
The space in the weight room is a challenge because there's not a lot of floor space for us to do extra exercises because the weights are pretty old and take up a lot of space.
So it's been over 10 years since we've added any new equipment into the weight room. We still have some machines that are so old, probably close to 10 to 20 years. And those machines are just, they're so outdated. Cables have broken on them. Our upholstery for our benches and our mats are ripped.
We have one treadmill that's very outdated. All of the bikes in there have some part of it broken, and there are no other cardio machines. So mental health is an issue nowadays, especially with what's going on in our current world. We have a lot of students and student athletes who use exercise as a relief, a stress relief. So showing them that this is a way to get said stress or anger, any of those mental health issues and feelings, this is a way to get it out in a healthy way.
Having students use the weight room will help them in overall life. One, it teaches students to be able to work towards a goal, which they can use in other aspects of their life. They strive that, hey, I want to do this much of this amount of weight, or hey, I want to be able to go for this long, and they push themselves reaching for a goal. And it helps them, say, in other classes or later on in life, like, hey, this is going to be tough, but I know I can do it because I've done this in the past.
The weight room has helped me and my teammates by getting stronger not only as a team, but getting stronger mentally, physically. It teaches people overcoming adversity, and it builds a brotherhood that you can't really get anywhere else.
We use the weight room a lot in physical education. We'll take our classes down there. We have a personal fitness class. We have PE 1 and PE 2. And we use it for lots of stuff. We use it to build muscular endurance, muscular strength. We do a lot of cardio exercises as well in there. We use it on a daily basis in our PE classes.
With the new 4x4 block schedule and an updated weight room and fitness center, we could create more diversified course offerings for our students. Options for 9-week courses could include strength training and conditioning, a lifetime fitness class, and a personal fitness class, and include focus on basic weight training skills in our general PE courses. In our health classes, students have discussed creating an after-school fit club for students who are non-athletes and do not have access to gym memberships.
As a teacher, I'm looking forward to having new equipment, safe equipment, where I don't have to worry about that being an issue for students, and just seeing the excitement on the kids' faces when they walk in that weight room for the first time with all brand new equipment, bigger space. It's going to motivate them more to work really hard to reach their goals.
For someone who is looking to donate to this cause, we have made so many improvements to our building that have been beneficial to students, staff, faculty, and our overall community. But one of those things that has not been improved is our weight room. We need to take that jump and that next step in benefiting all students. If you compare weight rooms around the city to other high schools, we are far behind, and we need to close that gap for many reasons, including mental health, including physical ability, including our winning tradition here in athletics as well.
We can't express how much we are thankful for you.
Thank you guys very much.
Thank you for investing in St. Catherine's.
Thank you for considering to support me and my teammates.
Can't thank you enough for what you're doing for our school.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to not only the coaches and teachers, but obviously to the student athletes.